Hello art people, welcome to our last day working on our Labor Day Agamographs. We're going to go ahead and assemble this together. And the first thing that we are going to cut is just the edges off of our artwork. Okay, now we are going to need the second template. So you're just going to get this template that at the top it will say A1, B2, C3, D4. So all the numbers and the letters are separated out. Okay, now you can cut rectangle number 8 off of the rest of your artwork. And now we are going to put glue on line number 8 or rectangle number 8 on our new template, our new piece of paper. And once that's all glued, then you can flip over your colored piece number 8 and press that on the rectangle you just glued. Now we are going to cut out rectangle number 7. Okay, and now you'll take your glue stick and you're going to glue on the empty rectangle number 7. So on our new paper, and then you'll put your colorful number 7 on top of that now that it's glued down. So you have to skip a space in between each of these. So now you can cut rectangle number 6, the next one over on your artwork, your drawing. Get your glue, glue rectangle 6, place number 6 on top of number 6, and repeat that again. So cut the next piece out, should be number 5. Now glue the 5th section number 5 on your new template. And place the little slip of paper on top of the glue. We're going to continue doing this the whole way through. Okay, just keep on cutting, and this time you're going to be gluing the America side rectangles on the letters. So you'll have to go back, and in between 7 and 8, you'll put glue on the H, and then place your H paper down on that. Then cut G off of your America artwork. Apply glue to the G section on your new template and place it down, and continue that all the way through. Okay, once you have finished all of that, you're going to get a pencil and you're going to write your name on the bottom right corner and your class, which is your grade number and the first letter of your teacher's last name. All right, now it's time to fold this. So you're going to flip it upside down, and then you're going to fold up on the first line, flip it right side up, and fold down on the next line, flip it upside down, fold up on the next line, flip it right side up, fold down on the next one, flip it upside down, and fold up, and so on and so forth until you get to the end. Once you're done, you can open it all up, and you will see that if you turn it to one side, you can see one artwork, and turn it to the other, and you'll see the other artwork. So great job, you guys. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.